We have been working on this print suite for about 4 years now, and this, the sound production or development represents some of the fine tuning before we go into production.
For Titan, we utilize the entire sound spectrum to bring this massive robot to life, while intentionally preserving the frequencies of the human speaking voice. I designed sounds that rumble, hit, sweep, to convey the power, strength, and energy of this colossal machine. Each function has its own sound and lighting cue, such as power on. And then we have our hero sound. And then warning. One of my favorites, auto clean. And power off.
I think the way that we look at our products is that they are robotics, not traditional construction equipment. And so the sounds that they make need to feel like they're coming from a robot. And I think that interaction of how the user then relates to a robot is different than a traditional construction equipment. And we need the sounds to make sure they back up that interaction and that user experience.